Okay, on to the next question. This one, another potentially sabo question, but okay lah, I will answer it with graciousness. Name one. What kind of client you like and client that you hate to deal with in your entire ID journey? I'm not going to name the clients per se, but I'm just going to give examples of the people that I like to deal with and people I don't like to deal with. Clients are specifically. So, okay, let's start with the clients that I like to deal with. I like to deal with clients who are respectful of the fact that since I'm the ID, I will know slightly more than you. Hence, you will be respectful enough to listen to what I have to say, why I do what I do, and why I propose what I propose. Okay, and not think you know it all. Hence, then I will wonder, then you请me for what? So this is something that is very important to me. So clients who are respectful, and also clients who are chin chai when needed. Okay, it's not that kind of thing where I want clients to be chin chai and everything also leave it up to me. But chin chai when needed means you are not very what's that word? You are not very kotak. Is that a word? Oh, my dialect is very bad. You are not very fussy, not very strict. You're flexible. You have your own preference, but yet you will hear what the IDs have to say and then weigh it out and then think, if you still prefer yours, you will say, oh, actually, I know where you're coming from, but I think I will still prefer it like this, that, because this, that. So that is very reasonable. I like very reasonable people. If I hear what you have to say and I agree, then we can move forward, all come one. And the result will be much more satisfactory than you 一意孤行, you prefer certain things but no rhyme or reason, or just because you feel like it and there's no like proper reasoning. Or you can tell me, I don't know lah, I don't know why I don't like this, but I just don't like this. This kind of thing I also like, it's something that I cannot live with, because if you don't tell me, I will not know where you're coming from. And it's very hard for me to counter propose or even see your point of view if I don't even know what's your point of view. So I like respectful clients who are reasonable and chin chai when needed, but have your own views. Yeah, these are the clients I like. The clients I don't like, well, this one I must tread carefully, because if I say the wrong thing, I may get backlash. So I will tread carefully. Yeah, I walk on eggshells. I will just say the qualities that I don't like about certain clients. Okay, I don't like people who are too fussy. Okay, I don't like over fussiness. It's very 绑手绑脚. And I can't propose what I think is the best because of too many constraints. I also don't like clients who use words to belittle others. Whether is it belittle me or belittle my contractor or belittle whoever is in the process, I don't like. I think everybody should have basic respect for each other as human beings. So I lucky don't appreciate people raising voices at me, raising voice at me. Because even my mother and my father also don't raise their voice at me. So please do not raise your voice at me. I is 吃软不吃硬. You 硬 like that, I'll be very, 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 very put off. And I will feel like I don't need to subject myself to all these things. So in my natural dealings or in my daily dealings with people, I treat everybody with respect. You can ask even the Bangla abangs, I treat them very nicely because I think nobody is above anyone. We are all equal. Okay? It's only because I'm in charge of this project, I can tell you what to do. But I will not demand you do this, demand you do that, and be an arrogant prick. I don't do that. So I do not appreciate when people do that to me. Or use very condescending tone to talk to others. But yet maintain that you're reasonable. Reasonable people don't do that one. So yeah, I don't appreciate all these condescending tones. And also I don't like people who think they know it all. They know best. If you know best, please do not engage an ID. You know best, you do it your way. You engage a general contractor to do exactly what you want. Do not attempt to engage an ID only to tell the ID, I know more than you. Okay, it's very insulting to the ID. Please don't do that. Yeah, essentially is all these qualities lah. And I also don't like the fact that people pass you death sentence the moment you do something that they cannot agree with, but you don't even know the reason behind why they do what they did. You just think, oh, this one, walao, cannot make it because do this way. I don't like. And then pass you death sentence and you're dead. There's no way you can talk yourself out of the situation. No way to explain. You just have to suck it up and then be the bad guy. Like be the guy that cannot deliver, be the guy that falls short, be the guy that whatever. So I don't like this kind of thing. It's very much like friendship also. I don't like people to pass me death sentence without telling me what I have done wrong. Even if I've reached out to you, I want to know what I've done wrong so that I can possibly apologize if I really did something wrong. But if you pass me death sentence without letting me explain, so I don't know why I sit there, okay? Like, I also don't know why I sit there, but you pass me death sentence, I suddenly sit there already. I will feel very imbalanced. And I don't think anybody should subject anybody to this. So yeah, basically these are the things, these are the qualities I don't like about people in general. And worse if they exist in the form of clients. Yeah, so there you have it. Now I see arrows. All the arrows come flying and tap me already. Psst. Yeah. I better run first. Bye.